English medium.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon.
Ma'am, we have to do reasoning now. Only we have
I will tell everything, but you have to keep your mics off. Keep your mics off.
Good morning, ma'am.
Cameras on and mic off. Good afternoon, Vita. Now, after 12 o'clock, we say good afternoon, okay? After 12 o'clock, we say good afternoon. And before 12 o'clock, we say good morning. Okay, so it's 12 o'clock in, say, 7th period. It is afternoon. Open your cameras and switch off your mics.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to open the reasoning book or copy.
Abhi, I will tell you everything, Avika. Keep your mic off.
Okay, ma'am.
Open your cameras, everyone. I can see many of your cameras off. Lot of you are not opening your cameras.
Ma'am, ma'am, you also open your camera.
I also open my camera. Why?
Ma'am, what's I see?
No, I have to see you because what you people are doing. Are you studying or are you sleeping? That's why you have to, it's mandatory for you to switch on your camera, and many of you play the games also. I know that. Okay, everyone open your reasoning book. There is one reasoning book. I will show you which is your reasoning book. Let me show you. What is your reasoning book? Wait a minute. कौन सी वाली reasoning book है? वो वाली book निकालनी है. Okay.
Ma'am,
Nobody will show me. I will show to everyone. Nobody will show me. I will show to everyone. Nobody will show me. कोई मुझे show नहीं करेगा. I will show you everyone. This is the book. This is the book you have to take out. Reasoning workbook. This is the book all of you have to take out. You all have to take out this book. Reasoning book. It's the reasoning book written over there.
Ma'am, we have to take the notebook once.
Okay. And some of you, wait, some of you might not be having this book. किसी किसी के पास ये book नहीं होगी. So what you have to do, I'm sending one PDF to you on your WhatsApp group, so you can check it from there. जिसके पास ये book नहीं है, वो उस book WhatsApp group से check कर ले. Okay?
Ma'am, this book. Ma'am,
I will
this
not
book.
see. No, I will not see. I will not see. मैंने बोला मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगी, मैं नहीं देखूंगी किसी की भी book. I will not see. I am showing you this one. That means this one. Yes. I will not see anybody those who will say, ma'am, this book or that book. I told you this one. That means this one. Reasoning book PDF. Okay, I have to send the reasoning PDF.
Ma'am, this book.
No, I will not see which book. I will not see any such book. Wait a minute. I'm sending you the PDF. Chapter 1 of PDF. On D group also I'm sharing. And here also I'm sharing. Reasoning chapter 1. Okay, I've shared it. Those who don't have, how many of you don't have a reasoning book? How many of you don't have this book? Raise your hands. Let me see who does not have, who do not have this book. किसके पास नहीं है? Because you don't understand. Ayushi and Shreya, you don't have this book? Because Ayushi was raising her hand. Shreya was raising her hand. Somebody who's not having this book. Huh, you have. Okay. Okay. Somebody who's not having this book. How many of you are not having this book? Raise your hands. Raise your hand if somebody is not having this book. How many of you are not having this book? Everyone is having? Okay. Very good. Siddhant, do you have this book? Okay,
Yes,
Siddhant.
ma'am.
All right. Beta, Raghav, open your camera. Raghav and Priya, they both are some special guests. Never switch on their cameras.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Now it is on, Priya. Don't be fool me. Raghav, do you have this reasoning book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Arhan, sit straight. Chalo. If everyone is having, let it be. इसका मतलब है सबके पास है. Okay. So let's start. Beta, we will write it in book only. You will write. Take out one. Okay. Page number 6. Take out page number 6. Nobody will make any notebook. अभी notebook नहीं बनाएंगे. अभी notebook में कुछ नहीं करना है. Take out page 6. Reasoning book. See, reasoning क्या होती है बेटा? It's on your mental ability. Means how do you think? How do you think? That is mental ability. Reasoning book
Ma'am,
page.
this
Take out page 6.
ma'am, this thing. Excuse me, ma'am.
I will not see. I will not listen. I'm not able to hear anyone because many of you are speaking and many of you are showing me. मुझे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. मुझे सिर्फ मेरा face दिख रहा है. That's it. See here. This page you have to take out. Nobody will show me, ma'am, this like this. No. You are grown up enough. You know very well this page, which is this page, page number 6. ये top पर लिखे हैं pages numbers. Top corner पर लिखे हैं ये page numbers. Take out page number 6. This one. A smiley faces 1. You have to take out this exercise. Smiley faces 1. ठीक है? See, now patterns क्या होते हैं? अब now look here everyone. Now let me teach you about pattern. कुछ नहीं लिखना है अभी. Patterns क्या होते हैं? What are patterns? See, if you have blue color ball, then a red color ball. आपने arrange कर रहे हो. Blue color की ball लिखी है, फिर red रखी है, फिर blue ball you kept, फिर red you kept. Now which color ball will come? Now which color
Ma'am,
ball
blue.
will come?
Blue.
ठीक है? This is known as pattern. और ये pattern कुछ भी हो सकता है. Any pattern, it can be any pattern. अब numbers में pattern कैसे होता है? Look here, fold your arms and look here. Hold your arms, sit straight. Look here. Pattern जो होता है numbers में हो सकता है 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and if I ask you what will come here? What will come here?
Ma'am, 11.
11.
Ma'am,
And
11.
you should know the reason. डेटा जो पुराना फॉलो हो रहा है वो आगे भी फॉलो होना है. मतलब ये पूरा एग्जैक्टली ठीक फॉलो होना चाहिए. तो ये कैसे होगा? 1 के बाद 3, 3 के बाद 5, 5.
Odd number.
Yes, odd numbers you can say. Very good. Or you can say plus 2, plus 2,
Ma'am,
plus
11.
2, plus 2, plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. Because it is reasoning. You can think in a different way. Somebody else can think in a different way. Everybody can think in their own ways. ठीक है? Understood? Okay. Now let's start. Nobody will speak. जब तक मैं नहीं बोलूंगी तब तक nobody will speak. Now take out page 6. Nobody will tell me the answer also. Quiet. This is my rule in reasoning. Nobody will speak the answer. Nobody will shout the answer. If you will shout the answer, I will remove you from the meeting. If somebody shouts in between, nobody is going to shout the answer. I will tell you how will you answer. Now see if you can see this smiley faces. Let me draw this one. Page number 6, exercise 1. ठीक है? These are smiley faces given in your books like this. Who is this making noises? See, Like this, it is made in your book. Yeah, these patterns are given in your book. Sorry. Now, what you will do? Now, see, read the question. Wait a minute. Here,
सारे
Connie.
बच्चे चुप हो
Avika, your mic is always on and you keep on talking with someone. You always keep on talking with someone and your mic is always on. Kavish also, same with the Kavish. Avika and Kavish, they keep on talking to somebody else and their mic is always on. Look here. Read the question. Okay. Prakhar, read the first question. Prakhar, read the first question. He is busy somewhere else. Prakhar, read the first question. He's not listening. Very bad. See?
How many smiling faces will be there in pattern 5?
Okay, this is pattern 1. This is pattern 1. This is pattern 2. This is pattern 3. P3 means pattern. I'm writing the short form. This is pattern 1. This is pattern 2. This is pattern 3. And they're asking in pattern number 5. How many smiley faces? How many means they're asking the numbers. First of all, tell me how many smiley faces are there in this one? Count.
Ma'am, 5.
5.
Five.
Now tell me how many smiley faces are in this? Tell me second one.
10. Ma'am, 10.
Yes, 10. There are 10 faces. In this one,
Ma'am, 17. Ma'am, 17.
बेटा अब मुझे कोई बता सकता है how many patterns will be there in pattern 4? Pattern 4 में कितने smiley faces आएंगे? Somebody can tell me?
Ma'am, 37.
No.
Ma'am, 34.
I'm asking not in pattern 5 and pattern 4.
Excuse me, ma'am. 0.
No.
Ma'am, I am saying we will write in our
बेटा कहीं मत लिखो, कहीं मत लिखो. Not write nowhere, just write.
Ma'am, 26. Ma'am, 26.
Beta, wait, stop. Close your mics. Type in the chat box. I want to see कि कौन answer बोल रहा है. मुझे ऐसे समझ. Wait, stop. Type your answers in the chat box so that I can see who is speaking the correct answer. ऐसे मुझे पता ही नहीं चल रहा है. Okay, Raghav Negi is the first one to tell me the correct answer. देखा, Raghav Negi was not speaking, but he knows the answer. Very good. Only Raghav gave. I am Vashish. I'm asking for the pattern. Samar, I'll throw you out if your mic is on next time. I'm asking about pattern 4. Listen to my questions. Prakhar also. Very good, Prakhar. Only Raghav Negi correct answer and Prakhar correct answer. And third correct answer from Arav Bhatnagar. Aryan Chandra also. Very good, Aryan Chandra. Prakhar ke paas next is Aryan Chandra and Arav Bhatnagar. Very good. Very nice. Only 4 students gave me correct answer. Otherwise, all answers are wrong. Jasleen Kaur, please switch off your mic. आप अपना mic off कर दीजिए, Jasleen, please.
Ma'am.
कैमरा ऑफ करने को नहीं बोला जस्टिन. कैमरा ऑफ नहीं करो, माइक ऑफ करो.
Ma'am, 26.
Yeah, very good. Who is this speaking in between? I told you, reasoning में ना मुझे कोई भी shout करते हुए नहीं दिखेगा आंसर. All of you will type the answer in the chat box. Shreya and Ayushi correct. Very good. Okay. Now let me ask from Arav Bhatnagar. Beta, what is the pattern used here? Arav Bhatnagar, what is the pattern used? How do you know कि यहाँ पर ये आएगा 26 आंसर बोला है उसने pattern 4 में. तो कैसे? How? Arav Bhatnagar, बच्चे tell me.
Ma'am, because here is 5, then 10, then 17, then this will come 26.
क्यों बेटा क्यों 5, 10, 17 कैसे आया ये आपका 26 आंसर? हम तो 25 भी लिख सकते थे, 27 भी लिख सकते थे, तो 26 ही क्यों लिखेंगे? Aryan, Chandra, can you tell me the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
And because in first we have plus
Wait for a second, बच्चे. हाँ, now you can speak.
Ma'am, in first, like there are 5.
Yes.
Then we plus 5. Then the next number will be 7.
Very good. First you added 5. First you add 5, है ना? 5 plus 5, 10. Like you are saying like this?
Then we add 7. Then it will become 17.
Yes.
Then we will add 9. So
Why you will add 9 only? Why you will add 9 only?
because it is 5, 7, 9, 11 like this.
Very good. You are adding odd numbers. You are adding odd numbers. Very good. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. अब 17 में आपको कितना ऐड करना पड़ेगा? Plus how much? How much? 9. Very good. Next odd number 5, 7, 9. 9 plus 7 is 26. So in pattern 4, there will be 26 smiley faces. Now how much will be there in pattern 5?
And 37.
By plus 9 के बाद how much will you add?
Plus 11.
Plus
11.
11. Very good. Plus 11. So plus 11 will be 37. 37 is the correct answer.
Cannot understand.
बेटा see, फर्स्ट पैटर्न में आप काउंट कर लो कितने फेसेस हैं. Who is not able to understand? Raise your hands. Anvi, okay. And who else? बेटा नहीं आना कोई गलत बात नहीं होती है. You can raise your hand if you don't know the answer. How it comes? Somebody. Vayun is also raising his hand. Okay. Priya, all right. Avika, okay. Avika पहले बातें कर लिया करो इधर उधर. तुम्हारी सारी समझ आ जाएगा. You keep on talking every time. Okay, Avika? Okay, there are few students, very few students, 2-3 students, those who are unable to understand. Okay, see here, look here. Avish, मैं ऐसे आपका ये face देखना होता है मुझे आपके without camera, don't sit in my class. See here, in pattern 1, how many smiley faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In pattern 1, there are 5 faces. In pattern 2, 1, 2, if you count, 10 faces are there. ठीक है? आ रहा है समझ में? Pattern 2 में count कर लिया 5 faces है. रुको, ये सब मैं रख देती हूँ. 10 faces are there, and here you are having how many faces? 17 faces. ठीक है? अब देखो बेटा इधर देखो 5, 10, 15. 5 में हम कितना ऐड करेंगे कि 10 आ जाए? 5 में how much will we add so that we get the answer is 10?
Ma'am, 5.
Plus 5.
And the same number.
Nobody else will speak. अब 10 में आप sorry 17 आप कितना ऐड करोगे कि 17 आंसर आ जाए?
Ma'am, 7.
अब 7 5 हो गया प्लस 7 हो गया. अब नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या आता है? 5 7. अगर ये देखोगे ये दोनों कैसे हैं? ऑड नंबर्स. इसमें आप ऐड करोगे 9. ऑड नंबर्स क्या होते हैं? 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 17. These are odd numbers. 1 3 5 7 9. and even numbers कौन से होते हैं? 2 4 6 8 0 2 4 6 8 10 12. जो 2 की टेबल में आते हैं वो even numbers होते हैं. अब हम 5 के बाद और आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो 6 छोड़ा 7 8 छोड़ा 9. अब 9 ऐड करोगे तो आंसर कितना आएगा? 26. बट ये जो होगा ये आपका पैटर्न 4 होगा 26. ठीक है? पैटर्न 4 होगा 26. अब 9 के बाद नेक्स्ट ऑड नंबर क्या होता है? 11. अब 26 में आप 11 ऐड कर दो. 26 में आप 11 ऐड कर दो. 7 and 3 47.
37.
Beta, I said nobody will shout. Yes, 37 is the correct answer. आप ऐसे नीचे मेंशन करो बेटा. बुक में ही नीचे मेंशन कर लो. पैटर्न 1 के नीचे 5, पैटर्न 2 के नीचे 10, पैटर्न 3 के नीचे 17. फिर P4 खुद से लिखो. यहाँ पर P4 लिखो. ड्रॉ मत करना, ड्रॉ नहीं करना. P4 में लिख लो 17 ऐसे करके ड्रॉ कर. मैं बताती हूँ क्या करना. ये तो ऑलरेडी ड्रॉन है अपनी बुक में. ऐसे करके कर. प्लस 5
In our book.
Yes. Plus 9 is 26. Do not make.
Ma'am, in our 6th page. Ma'am, we have to draw it in.
Nahi, on 100th page, Angel. Do you have 100 page? Do it there. Option A is the correct option. Write it down, note it down.
Ma'am, where we have to write it?
वो बेटा बुक में बहुत सारी जगह है
Okay.
नीचे बहुत सारी जगह है इसी के पास. You have to write it there. You can't understand English.
Okay, okay.
Just
And
make
there
it
is
drawing
written
like
arrow
this.
and the circle. Ma'am,
Hmm?
we will draw this space.
I don't know. I have shown you already कि कहाँ करना है. अब मैं नहीं दिखा. अब मुझे नहीं पता है कहाँ करना है.
Ma'am, do like this now.
I don't know. I told you how to do this. Now I will not see.
Ma'am, I done my.
Okay, shall I rub this one? Shall I start the next question? Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me
Yes,
start.
ma'am. WhatsApp group.
No, I can't.
Ma'am, shall I, ma'am? What?
Yeah, no need of.
my question answer.
No need to send any question answer on WhatsApp group of freezing. Not needed. See the second question.
Okay, ma'am.
It's beer 1. I'm writing beer. I'm not writing the full spelling. I'm writing B1, B2, beer 1, B2, 3, beer 2, 4, beer 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, till beer 8, you are given numbers 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And the question is, what is the number on the teddy bear 11? They are asking the number on beer 11. They are asking the number of beer 11. Okay, beer 1, beer 2, beer 3, beer 4, beer 5, beer 6, beer 8. If you see the numbers, what is the pattern they are following? 2, 3, 4. First of all, tell me. So what I will do, I will make 3 columns here. I will make 3 columns here. 1, B8,
Ma'am,
beer 9, beer 10, and I will make till beer 11. I will make it till beer 11.
ma'am, I know the answer of it.
So please be quiet. Okay. Okay. So what will be the power? What is the power? What will come in this one? What will come in this one?
4, ma'am.
No, not
Ma'am, 2, 3, 4. Ma'am, 2, 3, 4. Ma'am, the answer is 4. Ma'am, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4. Very good. 2, 3, 4. Beer 11 will be. Beer 11 will be 4. Beer 11 will be 4. Okay, you will don't mistake it 2 मत कर देना इसको. Most of you will mistake it 2, 2. वो next वाला बता देंगे. But question is given in beer 11. So beer 11 will be 4. Very good. There are few answers on WhatsApp. Chat box. Kavish, Raghav, and Aryan. Very good. I really appreciate these students. Raghav, Aryan, and Kavish. Kavish to nahi, Kavish he shouts. But these students, Aryan and this, I must appreciate them. They answer very well. Quietly they sit in class and they answer it really nice way. When I was asking, they were just typing in the chat box. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Chalo, next question. What is the missing number? So let me draw this first. First, let me draw this, then I'll tell you. आपको ड्रॉ करने की नीड नहीं है, आपके पास ऑलरेडी ड्रॉन है. ओके, आपकी बुक्स में ऑलरेडी ड्रॉन है.
Ma'am, I can not see the
कोई बात नहीं. नो नीड टू सी नाउ. नो नीड टू सी बिकॉज अभी मैंने कुछ लिखा भी नहीं है उस पे. ओके, नो नीड टू सी बिकॉज आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग इट.
Okay.
See, wait. See here, everyone. This is given in your book on page number 7. Page number 7 is given on your book.
Ma'am.
ठीक है. So what happened here on page number 7? If it is given to you, you have to tell what will come in this place of question mark. If you know the answer with the reason, you can tell me with the reason. क्योंकि मैं किसी से भी पूछ सकती हूँ. Okay, Kanha, tell me the reason also. Kanha, tell me the reason. Speak in English. Speak in English, Kanha. What? Speak again. I'm not able to hear you.
In the beginning of the number, it's 7. So we do table of the 7.
Very
7
good.
to the 14, 7 5 the 35.
Very nice. Very good, Kanha. Okay, now Gargi. Gargi also. Gargi.
Ma'am, it is answer has 56.
Who is shouting the answer? Who is shouting this answer? Nobody will shout the answer. Nobody will shout the answer. Gargi.
Ma'am, it is like writing 7 tables.
हाँ बेटा. Tell me, how is it?
Ma'am, like 7 to the 14, 7 7 the 49, 7 5 the 35.
Okay, very good. As you can see, everyone here, if you can see here, these are the tables of 7. 7 ones, if you can see, 7 2s are 14, 7 7s are 49, 7 4s are 28. They all these corner numbers, they come in the table of 7. So when does 14 comes in the table of 7? 7 2s are 14, 7 7s are 49, 7 4s are 28. If you can see 7 in the middle, 7 2s are 14, 7 7s are 49, 7 4s are 28. So what will come here in this column? What will come here in this column? Tell me. 7 8s are?
56.
Yes. 7 8s are 56. So 56 will be the answer. Write it, note it down anywhere, everyone. Very good. The answer is 56. Very nice. Why? Because it is the table of 7. Chalo, the next question, third question now. Quickly. इसको ऐसे कर दो. बेटा याद नहीं रहेगा आपको कि कैसे किया था, तो ऐसे कर दो 7 मल्टीप्लाई 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 मल्टीप्लाई, ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई यू कैन पुट. Yes, 7 8 the 56. You can put this multiply sign here. 7 8 the 56. Do it and take the correct option 56C. C 56 is the correct option. Put a tick on C 56. Okay, I'm going to rub this and start the next question.
My book, it is written 50.
It is written
52.
नहीं बेटा, it's 56. करेक्ट कर लो उसको, 56 है वो. बेटा सी ऑप्शन देखना है, डी वाला नहीं देखना है.
Ma'am, my C option is 52.
बेटा तो फिर देखो 56 जो ऑप्शन है उस पे टिक कर लो. तो भी 56 ऑप्शन है उस पे टिक करना है.
Ma'am, there is 56. There is 59.
See this question. Anybody knows this answer? Raise your hands if you know the answer with the reason. If you know the answer with the reason, you have to tell the reason also. If you know the answer with the reason, then raise your hands.
Ma'am, question. Ma'am, हम what is the missing number? इस question पे है.
Were you sleeping? Are you sleeping?
No, ma'am. I tell the answer, na. So I know that we are in the missing number.
I don't know. I don't know. Because you are always speaking, you are not listening to the teachers. She always wants to speak. She never listens to the teachers. Okay. Ayushi and Shreya, you know the answer? With the reason?
2.
Yes. Okay. Explain the answer. I don't want this raising hand. I want the raising hand on your videos. No.
I tell the reason is 31.
Why? Reason?
Then because we divided 39 to.
Naini, how is this pattern coming? Can you tell me how is this pattern coming? पूछ के कर रहे हो? Asking someone, Shreya?
Ma'am.
क्यों Shreya?
No,
asking someone?
Not asking someone. No, ma'am. We are not asking.
Okay, okay. Tell.
We divide 93 to 3.
बेटा यहाँ पर कैसे आंसर आ रहे हैं? ये आंसर कैसे आ रहे हैं? 135 कैसे आ रहा है? 360 क्यों आ रहा है? Okay, Gargi will tell me. Gargi.
Ma'am, we are dividing.
Not dividing, I'm asking how you are getting this answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Not excused. Please switch off your mic, Jasleen. Not excused because you are speaking in between when I'm talking to somebody else. हाँ बेटा गाली you saying? हाँ.
Down numbers we are dividing and upper number is the answer.
No, we are not dividing. Down number किससे किसको divide कर रहा है? अच्छा इधर बताओ 135 में क्या कर रहे हैं? No, not excused. हाँ गाली, first of all you tell me.
What we have, I want.
अच्छा, you are not able to understand. चलो कोई बात नहीं. हाँ श्रेया बोलो, आप बोलो.
Excuse me, ma'am. We are dividing upper number with right hand side number.
Okay, you can say, beta, there are two logics you can use. Everyone look here. There are two logics you can use here. As you can multiply 27 and 5. When you multiply 27 and 5, you will get 135. 36 and 10, 360. 36 को आप 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे कितना आंसर आएगा? 360 आंसर आएगा। 27 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितना आंसर आएगा? 27 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5.
Your voice is very low.
27 multiplied by 5 is 10 5 is 35, 5 2 is 10 plus 3, 135. ठीक है, so we have to multiply these two, we will get this. ठीक है, तो 3 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि 93 आंसर आ जाए? ठीक है, तो इससे क्या करेंगे? 93 को 3 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं. दिस इज डिवाइड 93 से डिवाइड 93 को 3 से डिवाइड कर. और यू कैन डू अनदर थिंग. दूसरा जो मेथड ये लोग मुझे बता रहे हैं, लाइक गार्गी इज टेलिंग एंड श्रेया एंड आयुषी इज टेलिंग, यू कैन डिवाइड 135 बाय 5. 135 को आप 5 से डिवाइड करो. 5 2 जा 10 minus 3 35, 5 7 जा 35, तो 27 इज द आंसर. आप 360 को 10 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 10 की टेबल में 36 था, 360 इज द आंसर. ठीक है, तो 36 इज हियर. This 36 is here. ऐसे ही 93 को जब हम 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो यहाँ पर आंसर आएगा 31 and 31 will come here. All right? Yes, good. Because we are dividing, either you can divide or you can say multiply also.
And what will come the answer?
What is written there?
31.
Yes. Yes, Payu. 31. So option, which option is 31? A 31 is the correct option.
Ma'am, the meeting will be over in 1 minute.
अरे 3 minutes है बेटा, आराम से हो जाएगी. No worries. 3 minutes are there. Don't worry. See the next question. 3 minutes are there. See the next question. The question also starting from 98. A flower is given to us like this. 1, 2. कितने petals हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the meaning of what?
Ma'am, there was network issue, so I not listened what is the answer of 4.
You can check the recordings afterwards, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise, the whole class will get disturbed just because of one student. So better to check the recording. कितने हो गए? कम.
मैंने तो यहाँ पे दबाया ही नहीं था पहले जब हम मिली था ना.
Okay, stop it. Who is just talking and opening his mic? See, it is very easy. How you are getting 98 here? Check करो हम 98 कैसे आएगा इसमें?
Excuse me, ma'am, I can explain.
No, I will ask myself. Raise your hands on your videos so that I can ask you who will be able to explain this. Raise your hands in your videos so I can ask you. Chalo, this is your homework. Next time when you'll come, I'll ask you, everyone in the class. This one is your homework. This question number. Okay, page 7, question number 5 is your homework. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye, Vita. Enjoy your day.
Bye, ma'am.
वशिष्ठ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. वशिष्ठ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. जंपिंग करनी है वशिष्ठ. You want to jump? हाँ वशिष्ठ, how are you jumping? Show me your jumping. Yes. Vashishth, I want to see you jumping. Show it again. How do you jump? How do you jump? See, how is he jumping? He's so happy that he do not have to study now. Now he's jumping. Okay, bye bye everyone.